I am Mary-Louise, and welcome to this 5-minute meditation together. Thank you for giving yourself these few minutes. It's important to remember that you are a priority. Allowing yourself a few minutes of positive intention can make a real difference to your day. You can choose to take this 5 minutes at any point in your day. First of all, make yourself comfortable. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Notice your breathing and how you're breathing. Attend to your breathing by being with it, with compassion and kindness, as you find your rhythm, taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Notice any tension in your body now as you scan it. Noticing from your head to your toes where you may be feeling this tension. Feeling your lungs contract out and contract back in as you continue to breathe deeply. Feel your body begin to relax. I am with you in this moment, and you are okay. We are simplifying the information that the brain needs to process, and we're teaching the mind how to come into the present moment. When we focus on feeling joy, love or compassion, the feelings of fear, sadness or anger reduce. Let us focus in on what is happening in this moment to help the body find calm and stillness, so that you may go back into your life in this way. And remember, you can harness this feeling yourself in any moment you choose. You may wish to let out a sigh or a deeper breath outwards. When we breathe out more fully than our in-breath, we are consciously slowing the heart rate down. Breathing in deeply. Breathing out deeply. Feeling more relaxed in your body as you are holding tension in any particular place and attending to this tension by breathing into it and releasing. If you find yourself judging yourself, know that you are turning up for yourself now, and 5 minutes is making a difference. Your brain is capturing what is useful to it by taking this time. New neural pathways are being formed each time you practice being in the moment with calm and focus. Breathing in deeply. Taking a deeper breath out than before. Well done. You have focused on slowing your heart rate. Whatever you're going back into now, you are capable. You are strong and you are brave. Let us say together now, I am capable and I trust in myself right now. And once more, I am capable and trust in myself right now. As we take one more deep breath in, make this your deepest breath in. and deepest breath out. And as you breathe out, think of something you can do today which will help you feel joy. It could be something as simple as reading a book or taking time to do something you've wanted to for ages. Now, focusing on that one thing, visualize yourself taking that time for you. Thank you for joining me today for this 5-minute meditation. You can take this into your day and use it whenever you feel the call to. Take good care of you. There is only one of you. I hope you enjoyed this short clip. If you did, please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. And more videos are on their way. Thank you.